When you look inside a modern pharmaceutical facility, the massive scale of the operation is immediately clear. Rows of towering, completely sealed steel bioreactors process thousands of gallons of sensitive compounds every day. Between every production run, the facility must strip away every microscopic trace of biological residue or chemical agents left inside these vats. Any remaining substance can trigger severe adverse reactions or compromise the integrity of the next batch, leading to large-scale product recalls or patient harm. But the physics of the problem are daunting. You cannot dismantle a 3-story steel factory to scrub it down, and sending human crews inside with brushes is dangerous and introduces external contaminants. The most persistent daily challenge in drug safety is the physical task of perfectly cleaning an inaccessible, highly sensitive space. How do you perfectly sanitize the interior of a sealed machine without ever opening it? The industry relies on a clean-in-place, or CIP system, a fully automated, high-pressure internal wash cycle. The actual physical engine driving that cycle is a highly precise yet often overlooked component, the spray ball valve. This valve manages the exact flow and pressure needed to ensure no corner of the vessel is left untouched during the wash cycle. The valve connects flush to the tank wall, separating cleaners from medicine. During the wash cycle, the actuator pulls back the plunger. High-pressure fluid rushes through the valve body, filling the spherical nozzle and building pressure behind the exit holes. In a static spray ball design, precision-drilled holes force the liquid out in overlapping, high-velocity jets, forcefully blasting residue off the tank walls. Advanced operations use a rotary nozzle variant. The kinetic energy of the rushing fluid turns internal gears, physically spinning the mechanism for dynamic 360-degree coverage. This makes the unit the calibrated fluid dynamic engine, designed to systematically eradicate residue from every millimeter of the tank interior. Why demand a complex integrated valve and spray ball unit instead of using standard separate plumbing parts? Standard piping on the left creates dead ends, or dead legs, where stagnant fluid allows bacteria to thrive. The flush integrated valve on the right eliminates these pockets. Rushing fluid cleans the valve's internal components while simultaneously washing the tank. Integrating these moving parts into a single flush unit does require complex manufacturing. This leads to a higher initial cost and a stricter maintenance schedule for the facility. In pharmaceutical engineering, paying for that mechanical complexity is an essential investment to avoid the catastrophic human and financial cost of a contaminated batch. A mechanical design means nothing in this industry without legal, scientific proof that it works flawlessly every single time. Every single valve must survive a rigorous qualification gauntlet set by the FDA before it is allowed to touch commercial medicine. The preliminary stages, design and installation qualification, or DQ and IQ, prove that the correct sterile materials, like 316L stainless steel, were chosen and physically bolted into place correctly. Next is operational qualification, or OQ. Engineers perform a dry run using water or a placebo solution to ensure the mechanism properly opens, closes, and sprays at the required pressures. The final hurdle is performance qualification, the PQ. This is the real-world test, running the actual harsh cleaning chemicals through the system under worst-case scenarios. To pass PQ, technicians conduct exhaustive microscopic swab testing on the tank and valve, guaranteeing zero residue is left in the system. This qualification process provides the legal and scientific framework required for the valve to be used in a live production environment. Pulling back from that microscopic testing environment, you see the macro reality, a fully validated, active pharmaceutical facility continuously producing safe medicine. The purity of the medicine sitting in your home cabinet relies on the flawless operation of that hidden spinning valve. The pharmaceutical industry depends on these precise mechanical systems to ensure that the breakthroughs of biology and chemistry reach patients safely. Uncovering these critical connections is exactly what we do here at the Indian Pharmacist. It is comforting to realize that our health is protected by invisible mechanical guardians, operating flawlessly in the dark.